Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by confirming your laptop meets Windows requirements. Check for at least 4 GB RAM and 64 GB free storage. Update firmware and drivers before proceeding. Use an 8 GB USB drive to create bootable installation media. Backup vital files to an external drive or cloud storage first. Note your Microsoft account details and product key if needed. Ensure the power adapter is connected for the entire installation process. Restart settings and BIOS access instructions may differ by manufacturer. Download the official Windows Media Creation tool from Microsoft to create install media. Run the tool and choose USB flash drive with the 8 GB device selected. Restart your laptop and boot from the USB drive via the boot menu key. Follow on-screen steps to choose language, edition, and partitioned installation drive. Select Custom, Install to format, or create partitions safely. Enter your Microsoft account and product key when prompted during setup. Let the installer complete and reboot automatically to finalize files. After installation, sign in with your Microsoft account to sync settings and purchases. Open Windows Update and install all recommended updates and security patches. Use Device Manager to install missing hardware drivers or visit the laptop maker for driver downloads. Enable OneDrive backup if you have 1 TB storage through Microsoft 365 or a separate plan. Install Microsoft 365 or Office apps and enter your license to activate. Create a restore point and enable BitLocker if encryption.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.